Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
My name is Teacher Rara, and what's your name?
My name is Ngao.
How old are you now?
I'm 5 years old.
What color do you like?
I like red.
What animal do you like?
I like rabbit.
Rabbit. Wow, very good. Okay, now let us start, okay? Okay, what is this?
It's a book. It's a dog. It's a jellybean. It's a ball. It's a TV. It's a table.
Toy box.
It's a bouquet. It's a sofa.
Where is the ball?
On the table. In the toy box. Under the chair.
What's this?
It's a bedroom. It's a bathroom. It's a kitchen. It's a living room.
Very good. What is this?
Cow. Goats. Cats. Dog. Pig. Horse. Fish. Rooster. Chick. Hens. Duck.
How many rabbits are there?
There are 7 rabbits.
How many cows are there?
There are 3 cows.
How many ducks are there?
There are 4 ducks.
How many pigs are there?
There are 4 pigs.
How many roosters are there?
There are 5 roosters.
How many horses are there?
There are 2 horses.
Good job now. That's all for our speaking test. Give me high five. Bye-bye.